So right now I will be showing you guys how to get rid of sliminess out of water leaf so that all the sliming in bitter leaf will go away. So keep watching. The first thing I did is for me to pour a little oil into the pot so that the water leaf, that's water leaf. I'm using a lot of water leaf. So the next thing I have to do, I have to start stirring it together, mixing everything together. The reason I put the little oil at the bottom, I don't want it to stick to the pot. So I did not, just a very tiny oil that I'm putting. So at this point, I'm going to cover the pot for like 5 minutes. Then I will turn it on again. So at this point, I'm going to stir it up a little bit, then cover it for like 5 minutes. So if 5 minutes is over, now I have to turn it, stir it, and mix it together because I don't want it to stick to the pot. So if you start your if you start your water leaf like this, there will be nothing like slimy inside it. Everything will mix together. Don't worry about saying, oh, the water leaf would not be greenish again. No. Even if you cook water leaf for 5 minutes, it's not going to be that greenish. What makes the soup greenish is like the pumpkin, the kale, the spinach, greens, any of those ones that you put in it. The water leaf mixing with it will be so greenish. The soup will be so greenish. But for now, you don't have to water leaf after you cut it. Please just do it this way. The sliminess will not be there anymore. Yeah, all the sliminess will be gone. So you see, and the water leaf is still greenish. Why are you washing out the ingredients that supposed to be beneficial to your body out of the water leaf? No, don't do that. Just do it this way. It's not going to be slimy, and it's not going to be, you know, some people, the way they cook water leaf, it will be like a little bit sticky to their tongue. No, if you do it this way, even if you don't put any oil, just do it this way and turn before you start putting every other ingredient. Yeah, you see, it's still very greenish. See, so at this point, I'll be adding the amounts of oil that I will need for this soup. So keep watching as I'm putting the oil in. I'm adding oil, not too much oil, just a little bit. Sorry. So after you put them, after the water leaf, please remember to add oil to it. Please, before you add any other thing to your soup. Try this method, you will really like it. Honestly, you will not have anything to regret.